Thank you. I think I'm delighted to be here today for two reasons. One is celebrating the Constitution Day with all of you here. This is what is expected. Institutions have to come together, work together, learn together, and that's what is said, collaboration and cooperation. So that's the first reason I'm happy here. And second is this, we are signing an MOU with you. And also with the two topmost law schools are now joining hands with the WIPS Law School. So now you know the hard task master is what's up. So he will see that this will really will run and will prosper. I think that's where students have to take more importance in the participation. And just two remarks. One is about Constitution and the second about this collaboration future. For me, as a student of law and Constitution, the longevity of the Constitution and what people call in a beautiful English phrase, constitutional endurance. I think that's the test of the Indian Constitution. Constitutional endurance, and they said 4 factors are primarily instrumental in the constitutional endurance. One is the drafting of the Constitution, Indian Constitution. Those who dissenters also participated, the public consultation. Not only the ruling party at that time, those who dissented, the Constitution were also part of that large public participatory process which really made. Second, the constitutional values. Third, rights particularly, the whole, the fundamental rights. And then lastly, the constitutional amendment, and both Professor Subbarao sir and Professor Vijay Kumar says about basic structure, doctrine of Keshavananda Bharati. I think that 4 factors, someone has said, is responsible for the Indian constitutional endurance. I think let's keep this and then let's continue. Maybe the reform also may come in future, but let us see that. Secondly, about recently the Department of Justice and both NLIU Bhopal and NLU Delhi, we have signed, and the next 2 years we will be developing a legal literacy programs. I think in that also we will see how we could work together, particularly NLU Delhi. This is a 2 years program looking at promotion and protection of women's rights. So, and there will be several opportunities and occasions all of us to learn together and work together. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.